What are we making?
What are we doing? We're so hungry.
We're so hungry, usual.
Tracy, are you hungry right now?
I'm eating.
I got hungry making them. I had to start eating.
Still hungry.
Welcome to the Lazy Cook and the Healthy Chef. You're the lazy cook, I'm the healthy chef. Here's the deal. Tracy is very busy. She works a lot.
I do love to cook, but I don't like things that have a lot of steps.
But this is your healthy chef.
I've got a background in culinary, health, wellness, and food. Tracy is always reminding me, I don't want to do a ton of work, Christine. I'm the lazy cook.
What projects do you have coming up?
By happenstance, Christine Avanti-Fischer, she had me come cook with her one day. I don't know what happened, but within the first hour, we had like 275,000 people had viewed our recipe. I said, we make
great. You're fun to cook with. You make it fun.
You make it fun. We make each other laugh.
Right,
I think
exactly.
that's the thing. Got a blade in my hand. Careful.
I'm going to be dangerous with my melon baller.
You're bringing back my love of cooking. You're bringing it back.
Tracy, that touches me.
We promise you, we are going to have the best time. And
We really
will
are.
too. Lazy
And
cook.
Healthy chef.
Watch us.